Hey, welcome back. As you can see, I'm in the bathroom. I have the big mirror in front of me here, which is an absolute must. And then I have the sink here in front of me to catch some of the hair, and then I have a towel on the ground that's going to catch the majority of the hair. Okay, I'm going to move over here to the right where I have my tools set up, and I'll go over each one of those with you. All the way in the back there, the first must is going to be that handheld mirror. You're going to have the handheld mirror so you can see what you're doing on the back of your head. In front of that is the extension cord in case your clippers don't reach the outlet, but in this case, obviously, my outlet is close to the sink, so I should be good. I don't need to use the extension cord. And then in front of the extension cord, you'll see a ruler there in case you want to do some measurements, which we'll get into in a little bit. Over here on the left are the clippers in the blue here that we'll be using today. And then you've got two beard trimmers here. Either one will do. And they get a little bit closer to the skin than the clippers do. And then next to the beard trimmers, we have the electric razor, which will get us to the skin on the sides and the back of the head. And then we also have the regular razor here, which I'll use on my neck in the beginning. Next to the regular razor, I've got the comb and then the scissors that come with all sets of clippers, and then the brush that I bought separately to brush the hair away. I won't be using the scissors and the comb today as I'm cutting my own hair. I'm going to use the guards up here, which you'll see, but they're good to have when you're cutting somebody else's hair. And then I've got a dry erase marker here if I wanted to mark on my head the exact measurements for the fade line, which we'll get into in a little bit. And then next to the marker, I have a little brush that you can brush some of the hair away from the clippers and the beard trimmers here. And this little brush here on the right comes with the set of clippers. All right, all the way at the top here, we have the 14, 12, 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.5, 1, and then the half right here. And those are all the attachments for the clippers. And then obviously this making your hair the longest all the way until the shortest attachment right here, being the half. And then I've got some shaving cream here, which I'll use with the razor to clean up my neck hair first. And then I have some oil here that comes with the clippers. And the oil is a must. And I would say probably every other time you use the clippers, you should oil them up once every 3 times that you cut your hair, you cut somebody else's hair, just to keep the maintenance up on the clippers and they will last. My business partner, Kathy, knows I've had these clippers for well over 3 years at this point, and they're still holding steady. All right, we're gonna take a short break, and I'm gonna go get my camera woman.